what do we have here?
Alright, so today we're gonna be installing. Now, if you see this, right? We're just kind of
Truck of throws.
Yeah. But in this box,
What do we got in there?
we got
Let's
ourselves some short shifters. And these are the handles.
Okay.
We have our comfort and our standard, because comfort will give you a little more comfort. And here is where the real magic happens.
Oh.
Hold on, give me a second.
You need scissors?
No, I got it, bro. We're professionals. We don't use scissors.
Yeah.
Professionals don't use scissors.
Yeah.
We use our hands.
Yeah.
Alright.
Oh.
Now this is the magic piece.
Pretty looking.
God, dude. MGW. Dude, look at this. This thing is gorgeous.
Yeah.
Dude, oh my god, this thing is gonna be awesome.
Oh, dude, I'm excited.
Boom.
Oh.
Alright, so we'll just set that back there for now. Don't mind the towels and the amazing.
Oh, yeah.
Alright. Now, let's see. This is the little. Oh, no scissors.
Teeth.
This is the little piece that connects to the top of that, and then it has that kind of just sit up in there. Or it's the other way around. Either or. That's what
We'll figure it out.
This shit works. RTV.
Mm-hmm.
Whatever that is.
Mm-hmm.
Hardware. Awesome. We love hardware.
Gonna need that.
And yeah.
Paper.
And paper. Don't forget the paper. Alright. So, we're gonna start tearing all this apart. So first, we're gonna screw the little shift ball. I actually really like this.
Yeah, no, I like
It's
it
nice.
too.
It's nice and heavy.
Does it get hot in the sun?
It does.
It
It gets really bad, dude. Alright, and then this piece just pops right off. We gotta take these boys off. Maybe.
There you go.
That one. And this one's the one that's the paint, because I need to go get a flathead, I think. Maybe. Yeah, nope, gotta go get a flathead.
Alright, go get it.
Alright, I'm gonna go get a flathead. Dang it, I didn't grab an 8mm. I can already tell I'm missing an 8. Alright, so. Where is it? There it is. I just gotta.
Little splink.
If it'll sklink.
Oh, yeah.
Alright. Alright, and then I forgot an 8mm. I grabbed the 10, 12, and 13.
Go get it.
I will. In a second. I can't grab the socket.
Shit, he's coming back. Go. What? Huh? What?
Oh, you installed the short shifter already?
Yeah, bro.
Oh, dude, nice. Let's go for a drive.
Yeah, alright.
Correct. Which they always are. Because I'm a genius. This is an 8.
Big head.
So now, we just gotta untighten these all. We'll be here for another 20 minutes. Oh. Everything. Now, we just gotta finagle this out.
Finagle?
And you also see why I got a new one. It's also all torn too.
Ew.
So, we just gotta kinda slide it.
I can see the ground.
And you can... That's crazy, dude. But yeah, see how it's all just torn and it's all crusty and old. So we're just gonna set this out of the car. Let that sit there. And now here comes the part where things start to make sense. Let's see, what is that? 13. All right, we're gonna take our 13mm bolt. I'm gonna attach that there. Attach that there. We're just gonna start.
Break it.
Yeah. Snap the bolt off there. Oh, dude, I'd cry. Before we take it all the way off, I just want to, get a reminder.
Yep.
How long everything is, dude. Like, I can never put a drink bigger than like a medium here. That's why whenever I go get drinks, I never get drinks from like food places anymore unless it has like a cap on it. Cause then I just put it in the passenger seat because you can't keep drinks here. So that'll also be another test, dude. We'll just can you keep drinks now?
that'll be the benchmark. We'll see.
But I'm gonna upgrade to a 01 to 04 center console in the future anyway. So those are better. see it. Last one. All right.
Cool.
So that's all of those.
So what's next? Oh,
All right. That was next.
that was easy.
Yeah. So it just kind of pops out. We also have this new cup. I bought another one of these, just because they can like lose a couple millimeters from use. So I just figured, why not? So now, let's not drip training fluid in my interior, and we'll throw it outside. So whenever you're buying from MGW, all right, this is what you're getting. All right, like look at the build on that. And it's kind of crazy because look, if you look at the difference, you can see how much lower the pivot point for that is. That's why I'm guessing it's like a short shifter, because I read somewhere it's like the higher the pivot or like the lower, the like less swing you got. So like because this is higher up, you got more throw. Because this is lower down, it's less of a throw.
Makes sense.
So dude, that's crazy just to see.
Can't wait to get it in there.
Dude, you're telling me. Installed this gasket like a week or two ago whenever we did my clutch. Ooh, let's take that out of there. But where'd it go? Alright, so I'm probably gonna use this one just because it covers more, and why not? Because yeah, Brandon said you have it new, so might as well.
Yeah.
So it should be pretty self-explanatory. While I get ATV all over my, or ATF, whatever it is. Let's see. And then that just kind of shows
good.
there.
Yeah, that looks good, dude.
Oh yeah, dude, that's a move.
That is
God,
definitely.
I love the MGW, dude.
Yeah, that's hot.
Dude, this is so dope. Oh, do not forget the cup. Ah! Let's not forget this.
Ooh, brand new.
Yeah, cool. And
Looks
just
good.
like that. Installed. Easy.
Boom, shakalaka.
Oh, that's not flat. Oh wait, is it flat now? I'm just trying to make sure that it's actually sitting in the cup. Might help if I actually threaded it into the hole. Can't find the hole. Alright, yeah, so make sure it's in neutral whenever you guys do this. Finally, we got it. Now this is actually threading in now.
Sitting pretty.
Cool. Yeah, make sure it's in neutral next time, 'cause that's all I was trying to fight it for, and I finally did it. So now we can install the rest of these, and then I can go bang some gears.
Yep.
Just like that.
Yep.
These right here are your shift stops. I didn't know that until I asked my dad. But basically, T45s, you don't need them. I read that. Good thing I don't need those. But I read the TR, or is it 3650? It's like a yes and it's like a maybe for those. But T45s, T56, I don't need them. So we're just gonna continue with the install. And so now we're basically at the point to where I'm gonna choose the one that I want.
Ooh.
Wait, hold on. It's not tight. Oh, this is gonna kind of.
Oh my god. Wow. Yeah, because it has liquid.
Yeah. Okay, cool. So now. Oh wait, wrong way. Yeah, cool. So now we're just gonna go. Now we're. Alright. Now we're just gonna tie it in. This thing is so built, dude. This is such a good idea to go with. God, I can't get it into the bottom one, dude. Oh, there we go.
There you go. Snug it in. There you go.
And now it's time for the boy.
Oh, the boy.
But also, for this, I could do more adjusting to where I want the ball, or even like this to face. So I think
You want it face towards you or just straight back?
Yeah, I think what I'm gonna do is if I can get it into this one for once. Oh my gosh, dude.
There you
So
go.
I think what I'm gonna do is kind of
Angle it towards
little bit. So I don't know. This part I might need to do a little bit of testing with, because I can't just, because if I do it straight, then it's just gonna be like, but if I have it angled a little bit, yeah, let's try it like that.
Be a lot more comfortable in your.
Yeah. So now, I don't just like that. No, this is
The lower the better.
I'm gonna try and keep it level, just so my OCD is chilling.
Oh my god. Oh, that is godly.
Let's just.
Oh, it fits.
Oh
yeah.
Oh my god. Dude.
That looks nice.
Dude, that is. Feel the play in that too. It just bounces back. Before it didn't even.
Oh, dude, that is.
You want to throw it? You want to throw it? Go ahead.
Oh, dude, it's so smooth.
Dude, it's so clunky. Boom! Boom!
Some things two dudes in a car should not be saying to themselves.
It's so smooth and clunky. And then take these boys.
Click.
Sklink.
Slink. It's so satisfying when it clicks. Damn.
Yeah.
Screw it. Try it.
Whatever,
How's it
dude.
feel? Oh, sheesh.
Alright, but that's how you install an MGW shift knob. We did not use this adhesive piece because never needed it before. I don't
Not
need it now.
necessary.
And whenever I actually have a good piece that keeps heat in there, plus that new little rubber piece I put on is like solid, a lot better, so it'll help with the heat. So now we're just gonna go clean up and then we'll go for a test drive. Sounds so good, dude.
I love it.
Oh, dude, much quicker.
That is way nicer.
Oh, dude, that's way quicker.
That is way nicer.
I like that. Oh, dude, I love this. I love this. It's so much better. 10 out of 10, dude. I just need a new shift knob now, but
Yep, because it doesn't sit right.
yeah. And it's not like one of those where it's like that's like really tight. And if you loosen it, it's still like there. It's like if you try to make it angle, it's just there's no point.
Yeah.
Oh, well, yeah, guys. So that's our MGW, short shifter install for us. What is it? I mean, I guess it would work for 96 to 04s or whoever has a T45 at least. Am I in reverse? Hold on.
There you go.
But yeah, dude, awesome. That's a amazing shifter. I recommend. Build quality was amazing, as you could tell. So yeah, thanks you guys for watching. Thanks Brandon for recording.
Gotcha.
Almost at 400, so subscribe, like, and then I'll see you guys in the next video.